everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 10th to the 14th of August 2026 on Monday. Zethu finally find her voice as a mother, but not everyone is prepared to listen. A bold new vision threatened to change the future of Khusela and a married couple forever. And the fight over one little baby's future begins to divide the family on Tuesday. Motherhood became an overwhelming burden for Uzethu. The decision taken about Zolega's future brings about tension between Uzolega and Lazarus that could impossible to ignore. An old friendship is pushed beyond the point of repair on Wednesday. The weight of motherhood finally becomes too much for Zethu to carry alone. Uzolega reaches a painful crossroad in both love and business, and one unexpected act of kindness changes everything on Friday. Feeling abandoned by everyone she trusts, Uzethu reaches a breaking point that could have fatal consequences. Things in Zolega and Lazarus' marriage explode into the open, bringing up heartbreaking truth and unresolved history and accusations. And one desperate search for peace may come at a devastating price on Friday. Zethu finally breaks under the weight of everything she has been silently carrying alone. Uzolega makes a difficult decision about her marriage and its future. When a newborn baby suddenly disappears, a mother's worst nightmare begins to unfold. Well guys, that's what I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.